Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
We got a couple of chicken breasts. Beautiful. Just some garlic and an onion and these seasonings. And I'm going to show you how to make a killer shredded chicken. That's fast, simple, and easy. Seriously, Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's slow cook crock pot time. And this is an easy way to set it and forget it, make some chicken, and then I'll show you all the different things you can do with it after it's made. Let's put this bad boy together. Okay, I always like to start my crock pots off with some nice olive oil because it gives it flavor. Yep, that's that. Let's put that chicken in there. These are two, like I said, breasts. Nice big. This one's a nice big one. These are from organic and free-range birds. Very healthy for you. All right, just gonna put a little salt in there. 2, 3, 4. That's all for now. Some pepper. There you go. A little garlic powder. Okay. A little onion powder. You see it? Basil. A little pinch of parsley. Ah, it's beautiful. Some oregano. I'm gonna put a little thyme in. There you go. Thyme. This is the garlic. It's like 6 cloves that's chopped up. And then this is an onion right there. I told you this is simple. It's one of the simplest recipes you're gonna make, but that chicken's just gonna be fall apart and delicious. I'm gonna put some cream of mushroom soup in this. It'll give it some additional flavor. There you go. Beauty. I like to then wash out the can with water. And then we're gonna add all this water to there. And that'll all cook down. That's it. Cover it. Set it on low and forget it. Set it and forget it and check on this baby in a few hours. That's what we're gonna do. Well, it's been about 4.5 hours, so let's see how this shredded slow cook is going, this chicken. Take a look at it. All right, let's take this guy off. See where we're at. This is still on low, as you can see, low. And, oh God, that's gorgeous, look at that. Oh, right now you can see that. Oh, the meat's starting to get, ooh, pull away. Oh yeah. I'm thinking this only needs a little more time. I'm thinking, wow, this stuff might be ready. I'm thinking maybe I'll check it again in a half hour to an hour. And then we'll pull the chicken out of here. We'll give it a good shred. It's working out better than I thought. I'll see you in about an hour. It's been 6 hours. Let's pull this off. We'll see what we got here. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. There's chunks, but you can shred them right there with your, if you can shred them with a spoon, then this is the shredded chicken. So what I'm gonna do now is get this out of this pot, finish shredding it, and we'll serve it up. That was perfect. I'll see you then. Okay, what I did is I sieved it all out here and got all that juices out of it. And then this is all that's left of it. This is basically just falling off. Perfect. And that's your shredded, perfect shredded chicken. Oh my God, look at this. I'm gonna take a bite right now. Oh, well, that's the view. That's my outside right there. But this is the shredded, perfect chicken. It's gorgeous. I just grab a little more. Oh, wow. Fast, simple, and easy. It's perfect. Now, the next videos coming up down the road, I'm going to show you how to use this. You put it in salads or put it in a burrito. For more videos like this, check out my website, Live Life 365. I'm in the dark, but I still can see you. And until next time, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.
Live life 365.
Keep it camera away because it's going to fog up that lens. There you go. How's that look? That's gorgeous. Maybe one more bite. I'm telling you. And then those onions, this is what life's about. Babu. Sweet Babu.